Menteri Rangba ka Jala Conrad ke Sangma uloong ba ka Jingkam jung Menteri Rangba ka Assam ban Kyntiew lang yakate ka Jala kum Kawei na kijingo kai perthei kan long kum kerensan ban Kyntiew lang yakathan Shatei Lam-Mihngi kari kum kathan jong kaput katam. Ha ka jingkran bat kilar pathai Khubor Menteri Rangba uloong ba Kawei ka Jala kidon la ka jong ka jing Itynnad. Uong ru ba ka Meghalaya bat Shillong kidon la ka jong ka jinglong kerpang ban kringi kinong jingok kai perthei kabaya pher lada nujor bat kijing Itynnad kiba ka Assam bat Guwahati kadon.
I always feel that positive competitiveness is very, very important, and it is promoting the Northeast as a destination, and it's a great thing. Meghalaya and Shillong will always have its niche. There are certain factors that are different when it comes to Shillong, when it comes to Meghalaya, and certain aspects different when it comes to Assam and Guwahati. So each state, each region, each city has got its own uniqueness and own competitive advantage. And I think playing around those competitive advantages is what is should be the strategy of every state government. And therefore, we don't see it as a competition. I think overall, it is promoting the region as a whole as a destination for music. We have always said that Northeast region is a music destination, and we welcome this move, and we hope that all the Northeast states move forward together in creating a very, very healthy area and competition and promote music and concert economy for the entire nation and for the world.